Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am Richa Mundhra and I make videos on lifestyle, beauty, travel, वो तो अभी कर नहीं सकते हैं, but on travel whenever I do that, and I create a lot of vlogs. So if you like what you see, do subscribe and do follow me on Instagram and watch the video. So I've been thinking a lot on what video should I do next, and a lot of people have been requesting me to do a video in Hindi too, so I promise that is coming super soon. But for today's video I thought I'll do a product empties video. I have always fancied these videos. Matlab, when I used to see them on someone else's channel, I always used to think that I'll do it or something on my channel. So I did collect a lot of products in the last 4-5 months just so that I can do this video. Not all of the products are completely empty, but they're about 80-85% empty, and I can probably say that I like those products. So here I'm presenting them to you. So for the first product, we have the Himalaya Neem face wash. Yeah, if you look at the tip of the bottle, it's already gone. This is one face wash that I have been using since, I don't know, like what, 8 years, 10 years. This is it. And if you look at the condition, you'll just realize how much I've used it. So this one is the 200 ml bottle. It comes for the price of 190. I'm sorry, I'm not very versed with the prices. So this one is the 200 ml bottle, and this comes for rupees 190. I think you can get it on Amazon, Nykaa, anywhere. And if you're an acne prone skin person, like if your skin type is acne prone, this is a highly recommended face wash. It works wonders. It calms my skin, and yeah, it helps me get rid of the acne. So moving on, this is the second product that I have. This is the Fiamma shower gel, and this is the bottle for 500 ml, and this comes for about 400 rupees. This is the blackcurrant and bearberry radiant glow skin conditioner shower gel, and you can see it's completely empty. Like there's just a last drop left. So yeah, both me and my sister have been using this since I think 4 months. The day when we came here is the day we purchased this, and we love this one. This is very smooth on your skin. This has a very good fragrance, and yeah, if you're looking for something in an affordable category, I think this should be it. So all of these products I will do link in the description box so that you can go and get them. They are not affiliate links. I will not earn anything out of them as of now, but I hope I do in the future. But anyways, yeah, moving on to the next product. So the next product that I have is the Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara. And I'm sorry if I'm looking a little down today, like my eyes are down because I can see myself on the camera through my watch, so I've been recording like that. So yeah, so this is the Maybelline Hyper Curl waterproof mascara, and if you don't know, fun fact, you should change your mascara every 6 months. It dries up, and you can use it for other things like the spoolie that comes with it. So I use the spoolie to do my eyebrows, but you can see this has completely dried up, like this is gone now. So I use the spoolie to do my eyebrows, but other than that, this is completely gone, and I can't wait to get my hands on a mascara real soon. Like I'm waiting कि मैं कब order करूँ, मैं कब mascara लगाऊँ. Yeah, so if you have any suggestions for what mascara I should try, please comment down and tell me. I think I'll give a new mascara a shot, and then I'll go and get this baby back. The fourth product that we have is this cute little hand cream. I know this is very cute, and I think this company has stopped making these hand creams. So this is the Face Shop's Mini Pet Floral hand cream. This is 30 ml, and I don't remember the price that I got it for, but I got it from Nykaa, and this smells so good. It's amazing. So you can see this is how it looks, and it's almost empty. So this is a very good cream. I'll tell you why. You started using sanitizers a lot, and sanitizers do tend to leave our hands a little rough. So whenever you're using the sanitizer, you should top it up with some cream so that your hands are not itchy or your hands are not brittle and rough. So I used this cream. I had bought this like a year ago, I think, but I started using this now when this is like it's kept at my table where I work. So it's been really helpful, and you can see it's completely empty. So yeah, I don't know if I can find the link, but if I do, I will link it in the description box. Moving on to the next product is this Zara Red Vanilla perfume. So this is this is their smaller perfume, and I have spoken about this in my products that I love video as well. If you've not watched this, I'll link it here, you can go and watch. This one is an amazing product. This one is such an amazing perfume. I love it. Yeah, I love it. The only sad part that I have right now is that Zara does not deliver to Raipur, so I can't get my hands on this perfume in Raipur. But yeah, it's completely done. It's empty. I don't know if you can see the bottle, but if you can, it's completely empty. And I have used this perfume like a crazy person. I used to always have this in my bag. I used to always carry it along with me, and it lasted for good about 8-9 months. It lasted for 8-9 months. So yeah, it's not available on their website as well. So but if you want, Red Vanilla is a good perfume to have. Moving on to the next one. The next is the Bioderma Micellar Water. This is for your face and your eyes makeup. This is a makeup remover basically, and empty dirt. It's just one drop. Yeah, but it's empty. It's completely khali. I was using this since Diwali, so about 7-8 months now, and this works great. It removes makeup like that, and that's a good thing. It removes makeup very quickly, very efficiently. It works very good on waterproof mascara. Okay, I've been using this mascara like since a long time now, and this works well on this mascara. This is a waterproof mascara, and this helps me remove that. So you just put it on a cotton pad and keep it in your eyes, wait for your makeup to melt, and ta-da! The work is done. So yeah, this is the next product empties that I have. Related to that makeup remover, I have the next product, which is the makeup removal pads from Nykaa. I don't know the exact company name. I'll link the product here. So I've been using those cotton pads from a long time now. I had like about 10 to 15 like the whole rolls of it, and now I'm out. I have already reordered it, so I'm waiting for them to come. But yeah, those are one of my favorite cotton pads to remove makeup with. Moving on to the next product. The next product is this liner. This is the Jet Black Magic liner. If you can see, this one has completely dried up, and I have used it to the extent that the name has also come out. Yeah, I've used it so much. I love this liner. It is smudge proof. It just glides on. I have a new pack which I'm wearing right now. This just glides on my eyes, and it stays intact. It doesn't smudge. It gets dry in like 4 seconds, so you can just open your eyes very quickly and not wait for it under the fan just to let your eyeliner dry up. So yeah, this has been a really good product for me. This is very affordable. I think it's for $2.99 or $3.99 something. I'll just link that price below. And yeah, if you're looking for a good black eyeliner, please get this one. The next product that I'll talk after I say this, that since I've come home, I have started taking care of my skin, my hair very nicely. Like I have just started putting much more efforts in taking care of my skin and my hair. So I liked going to spas before this, but obviously I can't go to a hair spa now. So what I did was that I purchased this product. This is the L'Oreal Hair Spa. Yep, I purchased this product. So this is a cream, and this is a very nourishing cream from L'Oreal. It has water lily, and it's for dry hair. It's for dry and damaged hair. It's for 600 rupees, and it's a huge quantity. I don't know, it's like 490 grams. So this is how it looks from inside, and it smells like one of those spa creams. So what I do essentially is that whenever I'm shampooing, like after 15-20 15 to 20 days is what I do. I just leave this cream as a conditioner. I don't use conditioners then, and I just leave them on my hair and let them stay for about good 30-40 minutes. I keep massaging my hair, my scalp and everything, and I have seen the change in my hair. Like, my hair has become soft. They have grown. Like, if you know me from before, you know that my hair has grown. And if you that one person who has seen my hair journey, do comment down and tell me that you have done that. So yeah, I have seen the hair grow. I have seen the hair improve on its quality. My hair is colored and I had got it colored in I suppose 2018. I have not recolored them. So in the ends you can see that my hair is colored. So yeah, it's good for colored hair as well. Moving on to the next product, we have Nykaa Go For Glow Instant Glow Peel Off Mask. So this I purchased a long time ago, but I've started using this regularly. Like, I have a lot of face masks and I keep alternating between them. So this is one of those face masks and it is almost complete. I think it'll help me for one more skincare day, but almost it's done. And I love it. It's just so fun to use it, and it glides on your skin perfectly. You don't need a lot of layering of this face mask, and it comes out of your skin perfectly. Like, I have used peel off masks which actually create breakouts on your skin. This one does not for me. Also, I would recommend, whenever you're trying new mask or anything, please do a patch test first. मतलब पहले थोड़ा सा लो, उसको अपने यहाँ पे लगाओ. This portion is like somewhere where you can test. So थोड़ा सा यहाँ पे लगाओ, थोड़ा सा neck पे लगाओ या hands पे लगाओ, and see if something, if you are allergic to that, if you are allergic to any product in that, or तुम्हें कोई breakout और कुछ reaction तो नहीं हो रहा है, and then go on your face. Please just don't apply any products on your face. It might hurt your skin. So please take care of that. And if you're looking for something to go for glow, you need that quick facial like thing, you can use this one. Okay, that brings us to the end of this video. I had a lot of fun collecting this, and अब मम्मा मेरे को पक्का डांटने वाली है क्योंकि बहुत दिनों से कचरा पड़ा हुआ है and I should throw it out. So before I throw it out, I hope you've already subscribed, like, shared, followed me on Instagram. I hope you've done that, right? If you like this video, please let me know in the comments below and I can make a re-video of this. What is a re-video? Okay, I'll make a next video of this after 4-5 months. Bye-bye.